All right, so I just got called out here. Apparently, this Cushman machine, something wrong with the clutch. That's the model right there. And let's see what's going on with this thing. Oh yeah, this thing is just flopping there. It's not even, something's busted under here. All right. Well, I always bring a screwdriver with me. All right, let's go ahead and we're gonna take this off and then we'll come back. All right, so we removed these 4 Phillips head, and this felt kind of tight to get off, so I basically just took a screwdriver and pried up on this, which allowed that to come free. Now we got 2 more bolts here that got to come off. You can kind of see in there, it looks like, yeah, this actually came disconnected from the actual rod. Yeah, there's the rod. It's just kind of sitting there. See the little hole in there? Well, on the end of this, there it is. That's supposed to slide into there. And it came disconnected, so probably going to be an easy fix if I can press that back on there. But can't really get in there, as you see. Very small space. So we're going to have to take these 2 bolts out, and hopefully this panel will give us access to get in there. I did get this plate off, and I got into working here and I forgot I was filming, but anyway, you saw it before. I managed to get this ball put back in this rod here. So now you can see I got a zip tie on there just so I can make it back to the shop. Because what happens is that ball does wear out inside of there, and then that gets too big in there, that socket, and that ball just kind of pops out. But I got a zip tie on there right now just to hold that in place. And she is shifting now. And should move. There we go. Alright, so that's going to be enough to get back to the shop. And then I got to find a way to get back here to get my car. So if you're having a problem with your Cushman and the gear shifter just seems really loose, that's more than likely the case. Just take those 6 bolts off of there. And pretty simple fix. Alright, hopefully this helps. Again, guys, please hit subscribe below. Give me a like. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I do videos daily. I'll see you next time.